Welcome once again to my channel. Now let's look at what we have here on the board. We are given that 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 10. And we are asked to find the value of x. This is very simple. All you have to do is, this is your first time seeing me, just like this video, subscribe to this channel and share to 5. Now here is the solution to this problem. We have 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 equal to 10. Now I'm going to use the law of indices to break this down to be very simple. Now this is how it is. By law of indices, if you have, for example, a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of a, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of m plus n. What this means is, if you observe, we have a here. This a here is called the base. A here is also the base. So if you have the same base and you're multiplying that expression, when you have the same base, what you do is you pick one of the base, which is a. You pick one and then you add the exponents or the powers. M and n are known as the powers or the exponents. You get, if you have the same base and you're multiplying, you pick one of the base and then you add the powers. Now let's come back to what we have here. We have 3 raised to the power of x plus 2. So if we are adding the exponent, at this point, this means that this is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Because since we have x plus 2 here, it means the base was the same. And then if we are adding them, it means we are multiplying them here. Now we do the same thing here also. 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 to be equal to 10. Now this is what we are going to do. I'm going to break this down also. This is something as 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which is what? 9. So it will be plus 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That will be what? I got the answer in the comment section. So 3 raised to the power of 4 is something as 81, because 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. All of this is equal to 10. Now we have 3 raised to the power of x here. We have 3 raised to the power of x here. So I can factorize 3 raised to the power of x out. So 3 raised to the power of x will come out. What will be left is 9 plus 81 equals 10. Because 3 raised to the power of x times 9, this bracket means multiplication. So 3 raised to the power of x will multiply 9. 3 raised to the power of x will still multiply 81. So I just factorized it out. Now this is what we are going to do. I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of x into 9 plus 81 is same thing as 90 equals 10. Now let's take all of this to this side of the board. We have 3 raised to the power of x into 90 to be equal to 10. Now what we do here is that we will divide both sides by the coefficient of 3 raised to the power of x, which is what? 90. So I will divide here by 90. I will divide here by 90. Now 90 will cancel out. 3 raised to the power of x will be equal to 0 will cancel out 1 all over 9. And yet, now this implies that 3 raised to the power of x 1 over 9 same thing as 9 raised to the power of minus 1. And then we know that to express 9 in index form is same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2 or 3 squared. So I'll have 3 raised to the power of x to be equal to 3 squared, which is 9, all raised to the power of minus 1. Now this implies that 3 raised to the power of x is equal to um 3 raised to the power of 2 times minus 1, because we have an exponent inside the bracket and another one outside, so they will multiply. So 2 times minus 1 give us minus 2. Now what to do is, since the base is the same, we do away with the base and work with the exponent. So by comparing them, see that x will be equal to minus 2, and this is the actual value of x that will satisfy the whole of this equation. As simple as that. All you have to do is like this video, drop your comments, and don't forget subscribe to this channel and share this video to 5. I will see you in my next class. Bye bye.